Sawadika, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Clarence Salazar, but you can call me Renz, located in the last letter of Clarence. And now, I'm gonna be your tour guide for today to the delicious cuisine of Pho. Sawadika, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Clarence Salazar, but you can call me Renz, located in the last letter of Clarence. And now, I'm gonna be your tour guide for today to the delicious cuisine and wonderful culture in Thailand. As we make our way to our hotel, I'd like to give you a brief overview of Thailand's transportation system. You might be interested to know that Thailand has a very well-developed network, making it easy to get around by air, land, and sea. We'll be arriving to our hotel shortly, where you can drop all your bags and take some time to rest. And make sure you all double check your bags and things. We'll be spending the day exploring the city's famous landmarks for tomorrow. I'll be meeting you at 9 a.m. in the morning tomorrow. We will have a sunny day weather, so make sure you bring all your stuffs like umbrella, sunscreen, shades, or sunglasses, water, and don't forget to take a breakfast first before we arrive to our first destination. Just to give you an idea, Thailand has several international airports in Bangkok, being the main hub. We also have buses and trains that connected us to neighboring countries, and several major ports for trade and commerce. But for now, let's focus on getting some rest and freshening up. We got an exciting day ahead of us, and looking forward to sharing it with all of you. We'll be meeting back in the terminal and ready to start our adventure. Sounds good? Alright! By the way, this is Sir Jude, our coach captain for today, to answer all of your questions and give advice on other places to visit. And now, before we start, I want you to remember, always have a passport. P is to plan, A is to adventure, S is to seek, another S is to explore. Pili ka lang.